What's up, guys? We're here at IAA Insurance Auto Auctions in Fremont, California. I just bought a car out in Sacramento, which is 120 miles away. Just came here to make some payments. Let's see what I bought. I'll show you guys tomorrow. We're gonna go pick it up later today. We'll pick it up tomorrow. Earlier, you guys saw I was at IAA Insurance Auto Auctions in Fremont, California. I picked up a vehicle. Right now it's May 26th. Today, May 26th, 2022. I picked up a vehicle. I bought it. I just went to go pay for it today. Right now, there's nothing on the truck. We're gonna leave around 1 a.m. tonight and then pick up in the morning. Hopefully, everything goes well. Just got the UL trailer for now. I don't have space to park. I would buy a trailer. Yeah, I'll show you guys what I buy tomorrow from IAA Insurance Auto Auctions out in Sacramento, which is 120 miles away from me. We're good. You can turn that off. This thing doesn't get any love, but we're gonna eventually coyote swap it. You know, 5-lug swap. Enough about that. Just want to update you guys. We will have a car on here tomorrow. Bring it back to the house. That I set up. This is what I picked up from Copart like a month and a half back for personal use. This is my baby too. LS swapped BMW E38. I believe I'm the one and only in the Bay Area that has a BMW E38 with LS swap in it. My keys are inside. Otherwise, I don't want to bore you guys with. It's this video is about a total different car, so we're not gonna go over that. Yeah, we're just getting our stuff ready, so we'll keep you guys posted. We're still trying to get used to this whole vlogging thing. You know, I don't do this for fame or money, whatever. Whatever I know, I try to put it out there. You guys can probably see my videos about Mustangs, BMW, whatever I know, I try to help people out. So as much as I can, because I get information or knowledge from other people, and then I just try to put it out there. Well, yeah, thank you all for watching. I know I gained 310 subscribers. So we're gonna, if you guys keep supporting, we're gonna keep on putting more content out for YouTube. You know, it's a project car we picked up. It's something nice. I'm sure it's been done before on YouTube, but it's something nice that we picked up. But me and my nephew, we're gonna go out there and pick it up. Yeah, we'll catch you guys later. Deuces. All right, guys, it's May 27, 1 o'clock, 1 a.m. We headed to Sac. We'll see you guys in the morning. Let's see how this ride goes. We just filled up halfway, and then we just left from Fremont, California right now. We're on the way to Sacramento, pick up the car. We'll show you guys what we get in the morning. Catch you guys later on. Let's see how the Sequoia does on the pulling a vehicle once I put the vehicle on the trailer. So far so good. I mean, barely has 118,000 miles.
We'll test this baby in the morning.
Yep, see you guys later. Have a good night. Yeah, we're almost in Sacramento. We're gonna spend the night at my friend's house. It's 2:32 a.m. right now, so we'll probably see you guys in the morning. I can't wait to see the car. I haven't seen the car. I just bid unseen. Let's see how that goes. Have a good night, guys. We'll see you in the morning. What's up, guys? It's early morning. Woke up around 7. Slept at my buddy's house out in Sacramento. We're on the way to IAA Insurance Auto Auctions. Gonna pick up the car that we got. Let's see. I think it's about 20 minutes from my buddy's house. The houses down here are freaking big and nice. We're probably gonna fill up after we pick up the car. Still got like 83 miles. Yeah, we'll pull up once we get close to IAA. Just pulled up to IAA. I already got my title for my car. Just went inside. Sacramento office is nice. Now I'm just gonna wait right here to get my car loaded up. Let's see what we have to do. We'll show you guys what kind of car we get. Give us a couple of minutes. What's up, boss? You need me a truck like that or something? This guy's cool. He's trying to help us out. These guys are cool too. They're from Utah. Hopefully our car will come next. Here guys, a 2015 Mustang GT. This rim is missing. I don't see any structural damage. We'll show you guys. Give us a second, trying to get this figured out. Fucking excited.
I'm not excited.
Yeah, he's overly excited for this shit. Sorry for the cuss words. This guy's a good loader. Let's see. Come on.
Put it out. Randy, you don't put the tires over there?
Thank you. Cars on the trailer. Thank you, bro. Let's get this puppy up on there. Trying to start this thing. Let's see if it starts. It'll start. Hit it. You know how we bumming, man. 5-0. Be up in here. IAA. People are nice, man. People are nice. Everywhere we go. Keep it in the trunk.
Can I open for you?
No, it's good.
It's gonna open.
It's a technology package, premium package. I don't see no
Motors, everything.
There's no airbags that are deployed.
Pretty much we are happy.
I think my nephew's excited, man.
Yeah, I'm pretty excited, bro. I like this car.
It has a premium package, brake Brembo wheels, brake Brembo brakes. We need a new wheel for that. It has Wilson wheels. Wilson, I don't know. But yeah, we're excited. Yeah, turn it off. It's good. Yeah, this thing starts, man. This thing's purse.
How are we gonna put the things on? Like, put the battery on.
For what?
To take the mirrors off.
We're not.
Mirrors up.
Just leave it.
We're not gonna put the mirrors up?
I don't think we're gonna put the mirrors up, guys. Let's see. We just got it strapped down. We're gonna put 2 front straps, and we're out of here. Keep you guys posted. Yep, this is our new project for Sidhu Motors. We're heading back home. I was able to start the car, as you guys can see in the video. We're heading home. Sequoia is doing good. We're gonna stop by at the gas station, tighten up the strap one last time, and then head home and fill up, maybe get some coffee or something and head home. We'll give you guys more in-depth details of what the car needs and whatnot. Might not be today. Maybe I'll go into a little bit of details today, but not too much. Sorry for the quality. I'm recording this on my iPhone, but yeah, we're happy with the buy. The previous owner messaged us, and then he sent us the long list of damages that the insurance estimator estimated, and then yeah, it kind of scared us off. But hey, we started the car. I started first try. I don't hear no weird noises. The engine is good. There's no structural or frame damage. I didn't see anything bad underneath. But yeah, we'll take a look in depth. We'll keep you guys posted. So far, we're happy. Halfway home. Near the bridge. See some bay water. Some toll plaza right there. We're in Vallejo, Benicia, Martinez area. sorry. Vallejo area, Fairfield, Vallejo. Let me know where you guys from. Comment in the where my viewers are from. I don't get that many views, but oh well. We're from California, Bay Area. Beautiful weather. But I want to know wherever you guys are from. This is not the Golden Gate Bridge. Golden Gate Bridge is it's a lot narrower and it makes a lot of noise, and it's usually very cold over there too. Probably obviously fog or mist or whatnot. Back home, trying to unload this thing. This rim is messed up. We got some other rims. Yep, we'll give you guys details in a bit, probably later on. We just got back home right now. Got the car on the driveway. On from the trailer onto the driveway. It's gonna cover it up so my neighbors don't fucking snitch. Yeah, we'll see what does it need. Definitely needs a wheel. Definitely needs a wheel. Yeah, we'll be back with you guys later.